What's going on, guys? So my string's acting up, but anyway, I was just giving some routine maintenance to this Echo Cs-300. This is a badass chainsaw. It's a top handle, very light and powerful. So pretty much some tips when you do this: you want to install a new air filter. Look at how bad this one was. We replaced the spark plug as well, and this is the old carburetor, but we installed the new one because this one has the diaphragms all messed up. But yeah, I already dialed in the low and the high screws, the idle. I haven't started it yet, so let me prime some gas in it. Okay, let's choke it. So this literally just gave out on me, unfortunately. It works, but it's never done this before till now. But let's see. I guess I dialed it in pretty good. Here's the bar. But yeah, pretty much, if your chainsaw is giving you idle issues, starting issues, just go over the basics and